Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 2.4 T24A FTS engine is a modern turbocharged inline-4 engine part of Toyota's dynamic force engine family, designed to offer a blend of power, efficiency, and reliability. It's becoming a common choice for various Toyota and Lexus models, replacing larger naturally aspirated engines like V6s in some applications. Review and opinions. The T24 FTS has generally received positive reviews, particularly for its strong torque delivery at lower RPMs, which is beneficial for vehicles like the Toyota Tacoma and Highlander. Drivers have noted its smooth and quiet operation, even under load, and its ability to maintain power in various driving conditions, including mountainous terrain. It's often praised for its responsiveness and the feeling of ample grunt for its size. Many observers believe Toyota has overbuilt this engine to handle the demands of turbocharging and the heavier duty cycles of trucks and SUVs, drawing comparisons to robust diesel engine construction. This suggests a focus on long-term durability. Advantages: strong torque and power. The turbocharging provides significant torque, especially at lower RPMs, making it feel powerful and capable, often surpassing the performance of the V6 engines it replaces. Fuel economy. Compared to larger V6 engines, the T24A FTS generally offers improved fuel efficiency. Some drivers report impressive MPG figures even in trucks like the Tacoma. Compact and lighter. Being a four-cylinder, it's smaller and lighter than the V6s it replaces, which can contribute to better vehicle balance and overall efficiency. Designed for electrification. The engine was designed from the outset to be integrated into hybrid powertrains, offering further efficiency gains and diverse application possibilities. Robust cooling system. It features a notably large 3-inch cooling inlet, typically seen in V8 engines, which helps ensure effective heat dissipation and enhance overall engine performance, especially with the added heat of a turbocharger. Timing chain. Utilizes a timing chain, which is generally designed to last the life of the engine, reducing maintenance needs compared to timing belts. Disadvantages. Turbocharger concerns. While generally considered reliable, the turbocharger is a component that requires careful attention. Cooking oil left in a hot turbo by immediately shutting off the engine after hard driving can potentially lead to problems down the line. Regular and possibly more frequent oil changes, along with a brief idle period before shutdown after strenuous use, are recommended by some to mitigate this. Newer technology. As a relatively new engine, long-term reliability data is still accumulating. While early signs are positive and Toyota has a strong reputation for reliability, some traditionalists prefer naturally aspirated engines for their proven longevity. Engine noise/character. Subjective, some drivers might miss the growl or character of larger displacement, naturally aspirated engines, particularly V6s. Plastic cooling system bits. Some components of the cooling system are plastic, which might eventually be a point of concern for some owners, who might hope for aftermarket aluminum replacements. Faults and breakdowns. As a newer engine, widespread common faults or breakdowns for the T24A FTS have not been widely reported. The primary area of focus for potential issues is the turbocharger, largely related to proper cool-down procedures after spirited driving. Toyota's emphasis on overbuilding the engine and its robust cooling system aims to prevent issues associated with turbocharging. There haven't been significant recalls or widespread complaints regarding engine failures for the T24 AFTS itself, unlike some of the initial concerns seen with other new Toyota turbo engines, e.g., the V35 FTS V6. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption figures vary significantly depending on the vehicle it's in, driving conditions, and whether it's part of a hybrid system. However, a key advantage of the T24A FTS is its improved fuel economy compared to the larger engines it often replaces. For example, in the Toyota Tacoma, owners have reported impressive mileage, sometimes upwards of 26 mpg on highway drives, even in mountainous areas. In hybrid applications like the Toyota Crown, it can achieve around 30 mpg combined. Timing. The T24A FTS engine uses a timing chain, not a timing belt. Timing chains are generally designed to last the lifetime of the engine and do not require regular replacement intervals like timing belts, which reduces long-term maintenance costs and concerns. Oil. Type. The recommended engine oil for the T24A FTS is typically 0W, 20 full synthetic motor oil, meeting API standards. Capacity. The oil capacity is around 5.6 to 6.5 quarts, with filter, though this can vary slightly by specific vehicle application. It's always best to check the owner's manual for the exact capacity for your specific vehicle. Change interval. While Toyota often recommends 10,000-mile oil change intervals, some owners and mechanics suggest more frequent changes, e.g. 5,000 miles, for turbocharged engines, especially if the vehicle is driven hard or frequently to prevent cooking oil in the hot turbo. Letting the engine idle for a minute or two before shutdown after a hard drive is also a common practice to allow the turbo to cool and oil to circulate. Versions and history. The T24 FTS is part of Toyota's new dynamic force engine family, which aims to streamline Toyota's engine offerings globally. It debuted around 2021 in models like the Lexus NX 350. Since then, its applications have expanded rapidly to include Lexus NX 350, Toyota Highlander/Grand Highlander, replacing the 3.5 L2GR FKS V6 in some trims. Toyota Crown, especially in its hybrid configurations. Toyota Tacoma 4th Gen, replacing the 3.5 LV6 with altered power output favoring torque for truck applications. Toyota 4Runner 6th Gen. The T24A FTS represents Toyota's strategic shift towards smaller displacement, turbocharged, and often hybridized powertrains to meet increasingly stringent fuel economy and emissions regulations while still providing strong performance. It's seen as a significantly reworked engine from its predecessors, with specific enhancements for various vehicle demands, such as a focus on torque for truck applications. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.